Welcome to the Banner Introduction Training. What is Banner? Banner is Ellucian's Enterprise Resource Planning System, also known as the ERP. It's used in institutions' student information systems. It contains data on faculty, student information, financial aid, all the courses and sections, programs from departments, and the students' enrollments, including cross-listings. What is the Banner integration? The Banner integration's goal is to enable the data connection and integrate between the SIS and the D2L LE. It contains Desire to Learn and Ellucian components through XML. Due to the potential of issues becoming critical in nature, it is highly advisable to involve consultation with Ellucian prior to engaging in any deployments, which could involve the D2L cross-listings management interface. The architecture at a high level includes to the left the Banner database and connection components, in the middle the Luminous platform, and to the right the Desire to Learn platform. Banner has two executions, real-time and batch processing. Real-time messaging includes on-demand updates through HTTP post commands. The XML is parsed and processed completely, and a response is sent to Banner notifying of success or failure. On the left, a trigger event through the INB receives an update to the Banner database, which triggers an XML event through the dispatcher over to D2L. The batch process uses a slightly different methodology. The back import loads a file in XML format. The IC Goerli process produces the IC Goerli file. Using SFTP, this data is connected through XML to D2L and is processed by the Banner batch process. On the left, we see the INB process triggering this event, which produces the file. This file is then uploaded to D2L and then imported. Banner does have certain dependencies, and it is highly advisable to consult the Banner training information on what those dependencies are. Desire to Learn web services is heavily utilized, and it is also noted that sections must exist, regardless if they are used or not. While we're talking about case sensitivity, it is noted that Desire to Learn and Banner are not dependent on case. The Banner integration, however, is dependent on case. Banner generates an entity ID, which is used to map the org-defined ID in D2L, and in the entity identifiers DB table, which maps the IDs. The grades export is an important part of the final process, where the grades are sent back from D2L into the Banner system. D2L and Ellucian integration components must both be purchased. It is advisable to manually run the batch process to correct any errors. When grades are exported, they are sent through the Luminous message broker through the grades adapter and over to the database. Then an acknowledgement is sent back. Common breakpoints of the Banner integration include scheduled tasks, which may not be updated after a D2LE upgrade, case sensitivity issues, Banner messages are not set to be cleared up. The folder housing the messages can increase to an extremely large size. And if org units are made before the integration, the Banner format must be strictly observed. More breakpoints include a break in communication with the Luminous message broker. XML streams get stuck in the Luminous message queue, or the XML streams error out. Another common occurrence is issues with the SSL certificate or an incorrect SSL certificate and other common network connectivity issues. Integration issues are typically held by D2L support teams, including Tier 2 and Tier 3, and the sustaining support analysts. Implementation teams and Ellucian technical support are typically handled prior to integrations that are managed with a project manager. Here are some links to further documentation. Thank you for watching this presentation.